Hello and welcome to this lesson where I'll be talking about backtesting and forward testing. So let's jump directly into the chart. You might see me using the replay mode right here. So let me just remove this session. So what you want to do on the replay mode, which is a good tool, is you want to be able to backtest your strategy and have some data on if it works or not. So the strategies I've been sharing with you, the school run strategy and the 1 minute model, the school run model and the 1 minute model, you can try them out in the backtesting replay mode. So what you want to do, you want to go to the replay mode right here. Let's go to the 1 hour. You go to the replay mode right here and you go back some time. And this is where you can choose the 7x, 5x, 1x, and I usually backtest on 0.2 to make it seem like it's a live environment, to make I practice my patience basically in the backtesting session, right? So you can use this tool to indicate like where is the market going. You can jump forward like this, skip forward with shift and arrow to the right, and you can also just press play and wait for it to happen. You can try it out. You can indicate or you can simulate how the real market is going to be. You can go back for an entire month and use the strategy or the model that I've been using, explaining to you, and try it out. How does the model work on the London session, and how does the model work on the New York session? And try it out. Now, after you've tried it out on the backtesting, I put my stop loss right here. This is what Mustafa said. It will work. I tried it out, 1, 2, 3, but it didn't work. So what's going on? We write it out. We see data. How many times is it working a week? How many times do I have A plus perfect setups each week? Do I have 1? Do I have 4? Do I have 5? And how much can I gain from those setup each week? That's what backtesting gives you. It gives you confidence in your ability to execute on the model. Now, after you have that confidence, there is a forward testing period that we need to do also. Backtesting tests our model that it works, right? So we don't need to do it on the live environment. Live environment, it takes longer. You can backtest in the live environment for 6 months, which you can do in 2 days on a backtesting session, right? So the forward testing right here, it tests. So backtesting tests your model. Forward testing tests you, how you behave in the process of executing on that trade. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to download, just use something like this. VT Market, you download the demo account. Let me just close these, download the demo account and indicate how it would look like in the live environment. Take the trade, see the setup, apply risk, apply the stop loss and the take profits, and and you see the profits right here, and wait for it to do its thing. And think about it. Have a note, have a journal, and you think about when I take a trade on the 15 minute, how am I feeling? That's the forward testing part. How am I feeling? Am I getting stressed? Am I getting upset? Am I getting hurt because I didn't win that trade? What's going on? That's the thing. How is your patient? How is your greed level? How much are you risking with this strategy? That is the forward testing of this back testing data that you have created. So when people say, have you backtested it? Meaning, have you backtested the strategy? Probably most of the people have backtested their strategy because that's the one that they're using in the live environment. But in the live environment, that is when fear, greed, anger, revenge, those feeling comes up in you, and you have to notice them because those are the feelings and emotions that we were going to be working on to overcome to be able to win over the market basically. So if you've learned something from this lesson, feel free to write it down as one sentence in the comment section below because it will stick with you even more. So when you backtest, there is backtesting and there is forward testing. Forward testing is used in the live environment. Backtesting is used in the simulated environment. As always, follow me on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, and if you haven't done it already, join the school community. See you on the next lesson. Take care.